What do you dream to be when you grow up?
A millionaire.
Like me?
No, you're still dreaming.
Who is the boss of your house?
Mommy.
And what about Grandma? What does Grandma do?
Grandma feeds me cookies and says, don't tell Mommy.
Do you tell Mommy? Sometimes.
What scares your dad the most?
When Mom says, we need to talk.
What does she say when you don't study?
Fine, don't study your life, not mine.
And then?
5 minutes later, it becomes her life again.
What makes you upset the most?
When people touch my cheeks like I am a toy.
So what should they do instead?
Ask first and say sorry if I say no. I mean it.
Who is the boss at home?
Dad.
Really?
I said that because Dad is sitting there.
Do you know what love is?
Yes.
What is love?
When Daddy gives Mom chocolate. After fight.
What happens when you don't go to bed?
Mom comes.
And what does she say?
This is the last time I'm saying goodnight.
Who do you listen to most at home?
Mom, but only sometimes.
And Dad?
Dad listens to Mom, not me.
Is Mommy fast at getting ready?
We wait a very long time.
Really? What does she say?
She yells, I'm putting my shoes on right now. I took a whole nap by the door.
All right, quick question. Who does Daddy listen to?
Mommy,
Oh, okay. And when Daddy doesn't listen?
he listens later.
Are you nervous sitting here with me?
No,
Why not?
because you're funny.
Who tells the best stories in your family?
Grandpa, but he forgets the ending and makes up new ones every time.
Who do you love more? Mommy or Daddy?
Grandma.
Your mom ever get in trouble?
Only when she buys too many clothes.
What does your dad say about it?
Nothing. He just hides the credit card in the freezer.
What is the biggest secret in your house?
Daddy tells Grandma her cooking is amazing. But he feeds it to the dog when she's not looking.
What do people do on a first date?
They tell each other lies so they'll want to go on a second one.
Does that actually work?
Yes, that's how my dad got my mom.
Okay, are you Team Mommy or Team Daddy?
Team me. They fight over who I love more. I just watch. But I love whoever has the goldfish crackers.
Ever get in trouble for talking in class?
No, because I told my teacher I have a talking disease.
A talking disease?
She said she has a headache disease and sent me to the principal.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, ask me that.
Oh, why not?
Because boys break stuff. My dad break my dollhouse.
Does Mommy make delicious meals at home?
No. Mommy always tells Dad like this. If you don't like my food, go back to your mother's house.
Who is the boss at home?
Daddy.
Daddy is boss?
Yes, but Mommy is manager in the house.
Who is the best cook in your family?
Mommy. But Daddy said Grandpa barbecue is better. He said it at Grandpa's house.
Do you think your teacher is smart?
She's okay, but she doesn't know anything.
Why do you say that?
Because every day she asks us for the answer. If she knew them, she wouldn't be asking 5-year-olds.
Who gets in trouble most at your house?
Grandma.
You know where babies come from?
You go to the hospital and they give you one if you have enough money.
Is that right? And where did the hospital get the babies?
They grow them in the basement.
What do people do on a first date?
They tell each other lies or they'll want to go on a second one.
Does that actually work?
Yes. That's how my dad got my mom.
How do you think babies are made?
They mix flour and milk and then wait 9 months.
9 months? Why so long?
Because it's a slow cooker recipe. My mommy hides chocolate, but I am a detective.
Oh, really?
It's always in the don't touch place.
And you touch?
For investigation.
Who tells the best story?
Grandma,
What kind of story?
about how mom was worse than me every time.
What is the biggest rule in your house?
Nobody is allowed to talk about the ice cream truck.
Who is your favorite person in the whole house?
Grandpa,
Yeah? And why is Grandpa your favorite?
because Grandpa lets me stay up late. And he says it was Daddy's idea.
What is the secret to a happy marriage?
Tell your wife she looks pretty even if she looks like a potato.
Is that what your dad does?
No. That's why I sleep on the couch with the dog.
Does your mom ever get in trouble?
Only when she buys too many clothes.
What does your dad say about it?
Nothing. He just hides the credit card in the freezer.
What does your mom say when you're in trouble?
She gets serious.
What does she say?
She says, wait until your father gets home.
Who gets away with everything in your house?
My brother. He breaks stuff, blames the cat, and the cat doesn't even live here.
Do you listen to your parents?
Yes.
All the time?
Only when Mommy says, don't make me come over there.
All right, superstar. What's your very favorite thing about your baby brother?
He can't tell on me yet.
That's honest. I like the way you think.
Who is your favorite?
Daddy.
And who is daddy's favorite?
Mommy?
Then who is mommy's favorite?
Money.
Oh my goodness.
Real advice time. What should a woman do if her man can't pay all the bills?
All right, ladies, listen good. If you can't pay your bills, you don't go find a new man. You go find a job and keep trying.
That's actually solid.